don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Welcome to our fans with TV. It's the Club World Cup. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Fluminense 0. I'm joined by Spouse.
Sure, Tibo.
Fede?
I sharp, bro. Yeah, I mean, I'm 1%, bro. I'm definitely sure good Namush. I was one in Abantu Bebala. Being support Sundowns. Being Cheruti Zofika go top 8, top 16, bro. Yeah, I was having a hope. Mang Peggy gave me team batin
Sundowns.
I came batin team lang itidlala ne batin Dortmund.
Yes.
Idlala not man.
Yeah.
So I was having a hope ukuthi it 4-3 le. Di draw ile first match.
Yeah.
So mang bheke game le yabo ne Dortmund. Bengithi kuSundowns izowina due to the way idlala ngakhona Dortmund.
Yes.
But I'm happy ukuthi bayera. They didn't add numbers, but I'm honestly speaking. Let's ask me things. They didn't add numbers. They showed the American Gucci South Africa is made of what? Yeah. But represent the problem. We can say whatever we wanna say with no. Hey, Sundowns we represent in but we represent as a country problem. Let's be honest. Yeah, it's a little problem. If I change Laban Bangada, South Africa is made of what? Yeah, but we need a problem. Good no, it's South Africa. Yeah, there's football problem.
Yeah.
There's football in speaking.
Yeah,
but changing no, South Africa, there's football.
Yeah.
There is problem. Then I hope with the going forward, Chiefs and Pirates they will participate on this game, on this team. Guti this thing even mnandi. Just imagine na guti be Chiefs and Pirates and Sundowns zitri is lalada. That's gonna be nice, bro. Yeah, but I hope in future is a entire day. Yeah.
Man of the match.
So, ikimile bro miyazi be half bro miyazi be hlangahlangene angazi nginikeza ubani man of the match bro wami kimile be hlangahlangene bro wami
Ane
hayi be hlangahlangene bro
umuntu oyi-1
hayi be hlangahlangene bro wami mawuthi check abo Ribeiro they were in and out abozwani ama supporters Sundowns I hope today babonile ukuthi uzwani bayangikhalela ngithi ubanikeze namhlanje yabona umngenisile yabona they were crying for Zwane. He was there today what ubanikeze nothing ngisisa bro yeah awuzungithi it's difficult ukuthi man of the match ubani bro this game bena team le it was in ayina mana shot on target ne 1 Sundowns has 3 shot on target mara impolo zakhona beziya kuphi
nothing.
So it's difficult, my brother, to say who's the man of the match on this game.
Yeah.
It's difficult, bro.
Very difficult.
Yeah, it's difficult.
I thank you, Spouse.
Yeah, he's a bro.
Peter, thank you, Spouse. Yeah. Well.